Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot on your POCO X8 Pro Max. So first, what you guys want to do is, we have a lot of methods here. So what are we going to do is, we also have this method. So we swipe 3 fingers from the top to bottom. And as you guys can see, we even get a little animation after it's done. This is the first method of taking a screenshot. Now the next one is the power and volume down at the same time. We also get a screenshot. Now what else can you guys do here is simply go over and open up the control center. And here you guys can also take a screenshot. So if you do not have a screenshot option, just like me, you can click on edit and then search for it right here in the system toggles. But I do have it, so let's just tap, and we took a screenshot of the screen again. Now what else can you guys do is a rolling screenshot. So if you search something with Google, let's say head, and now you just take a screenshot, you can click scroll, and as you guys can see, it is scrolling. So it'll basically scroll all the way down. And now we can just click done, and this is our screenshot. So it's a bit long, and now we can save it. It is the scrolling screenshot. This is how it's called. And these are all the methods of actually screenshotting something. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.